Mr. Broyles, if you'll stand for the yellow line for me. Speak loud and clear. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Judge Barrett.
Good morning, sir. What is your name?
William Broyles.
Thank you. My name is Judge Barrett. I'm your first appearance judge. It is my job to advise you of your rights. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say can be used against you in court. This courtroom is being recorded. In addition to that, the state of Florida is represented by Susan Haig. So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say can be used against you. You also have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney will be appointed to represent you. You are being arrested on 3 counts of second-degree murder. Each of these counts is a first-degree felony punishable by life in prison. Can you afford to hire a lawyer to represent you on these charges?
No, ma'am.
All right, I will appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent you on these 3 charges. I do find probable cause to detain you based on the arrest and booking report prepared in this case. Ms. Haig, would you like to recommend a bond?
Your Honor, the state would recommend none.
All right, thank you. Mr. Doubt, would you like to be heard?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Broyles has no criminal history in the state of Florida. He's been well established in this community. We understand the situation of the request of the state for no bond, and at this time we have no objection.
The court will impose a no bond on these 3 charges. Mr. Broyles, you'll be held on no bond at this time for each of these charges. Your next court date will be December 21st in front of Judge Daniel. You do have an attorney that's been appointed to represent you. Your attorney will be out to speak to you. As I stated before, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say can be used against you while you're being detained. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And
all right.
Your Honor, if we may have just a moment with Mr. Broyles.
Sure.
Mr. Broyles, do not use the telephone to talk about this case. The only individuals you are to talk to are our office, our investigator, and our felony attorneys who will be out to see you. The phones are recorded. Your cellmates are recording you. You are not to be discussing the facts of this case. This is to protect your rights. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, take care, Mr. Broyles.